Hi there. Your vehicle's clutch system is essential for smooth gear changes and optimal driving performance. T-Shield brings to you simple tips to keep your clutch in top shape and avoid expensive repairs down the road. First things first, avoid resting your foot on the clutch pedal when you are not actively using it. This can cause the clutch to partially engage, leading to slippage, power loss, and decreased fuel efficiency. It also accelerates clutch wear. When not using the clutch, keep your foot on the floor or on the dead pedal. This helps prevent unnecessary wear on the clutch plate and ensures optimal performance. Always press the clutch pedal all the way down when shifting gears. Changing gears without fully depressing the clutch, or using the half-clutch method, can lead to premature wear of both the clutch and the transmission. At traffic signals or long stops, don't keep your car in gear with the clutch engaged. Prolonged clutch engagement can cause significant wear. Instead, shift to neutral and apply the parking brake. By following these simple steps, you can keep your clutch in top condition, saving yourself from unexpected service costs and ensuring a smoother drive. At Toyota, we care for you.